last week, the Supreme Court had proposed that they could cancel the 2G license and the spectrum granted to Aircel if the Maxis promoters, do not present themselves before the court. In response to that, Aircel has now written to the DoT, and to find out what the stance is, we are joined by Kritika Saxena. Kritika, what are your sources telling you?
Now, Rima, we have a copy of the letter that has been sent by Aircel to the Department of Telecom. It's dated today, earlier today. So the letter, of course, goes into detailing the order and how that is unfair. And again, it's not an order, it's an observation that has been made. And if there are no comments that come in from the promoters, then only then, specifically Maxis promoters, only then will there be a specific order against Aircel banning the spectrum or sale or transfer of any of the spectrum of Aircel across the board on the 3rd of February specifically. Now, the letter goes on to say that they are in receipt of Supreme Court's observation. They respect the observation. However, they categorically deny and say that Aircel is not a party to proceedings pending before Supreme Court. They say that no allegation of wrongdoing has been made against Aircel and it hasn't been proven yet. What they say is that they have already sought legal advice, and as per the advice that has been given to them, they are filing an application. So, since the order hasn't come in, they can file an application asking Supreme Court to take their stance into cognizance and thereby ensure that the order is, when it comes out, is not against Aircel, and definitely asking them to ensure that there is no ban, since that will jeopardize operations. Having said that, they have said that their operations and the current sale as far as Bharti Airtel is concerned, as far as Arcom is concerned, is on track, and they are going ahead with any kind of operational growth or any kind of sale that they are looking at this point in time till there is further clarity. They will also be submitting along with their application more details about the sale of BWA spectrum to Bharti Airtel and giving details on the company, the records, the financial and the road forward that they have panned out over the next few days.